Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Rs2 and getting the camera roughly balanced. This reduces motor strain and improves battery life. First, install a charged battery and lock it in place. Then mount the camera plate and tighten the 1/4-20 screw while you hold the rig. Secure but don't over-tighten. Next, roughly balance roll, tilt, and yaw so the camera stays when you let go. Once done, make sure the camera doesn't drift. This simplifies fine-tuning and calibration steps that follow. Now you refine balance and calibrate motors for smooth operation. With the battery installed and rough balance done, adjust the sliding plate forward or back until the camera stays level at all tilt angles. Then power on motors and run the auto-calibrate gimbal routine in the Rs2 menu or the Ronin app. This aligns IMU and motor output. After calibration, choose follow modes and tweak motor strength. Reduce jitter by increasing smoothness, or add torque for heavier rigs. These steps minimize finish by operating the Rs2 and knowing how to fix common issues quickly. You'll use the mode wheel and joystick to practice pans, tilts, and lock shots. Start slow and build confidence. Keep an eye on battery percentage and update firmware through the Ronin app to prevent glitches. Enable force mobile or external controls when required. If the gimbal vibrates or drifts, rebalance first, then rerun calibration, check for loose screws or cable faults, and verify firmware compatibility before filming again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.